Full synthetic oil only performs at its best when paired with a filter built for extended drain intervals and serious engine protection. Today, I'm ranking the 7 best synthetic oil filters of 2026, tested and researched for filtration, durability, and real-world performance. Links are in the description with updated Amazon pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 7, the Bosch Premium is the synthetic oil filter pick for Honda, Acura, Nissan, and Infiniti owners, and the vehicle coverage here is genuinely comprehensive for those families. The Filtech Media technology captures and holds up to 14 grams of dirt and contaminants before they reach engine components, a concrete measurable specification that reflects real filtration capacity rather than vague efficiency claims. The strong steel base plates and housings prevent the warpage and poor seating that cause slow oil leaks across extended synthetic drain intervals. The silicone anti-drain back valve delivers clean oil on every startup, and the metal spiral wound center tube provides the structural integrity needed to hold filter geometry through repeated pressure cycles across a 15,000 to 20,000 mile synthetic interval. For those vehicle families running full synthetic, the Bosch Premium is a legitimate premium pick. It lands at 7 because the 6 above it push synthetic filtration technology further. But for Honda, Acura, Nissan, and Infiniti owners, these are the filters. Number 6 is the Man Oil filter. And for European vehicle owners running full synthetic oil, this is the filter you need to know about before reaching for any aftermarket alternative. Man supplies original equipment filters directly to BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche from the factory floor. Their aftermarket filters are manufactured to the exact same specification. That OE pedigree matters specifically in the synthetic oil context because European engines are engineered with tighter tolerances. The bypass valve engineering is the technical detail that sets Man apart from competing aftermarket options. Their valves have clearly defined opening and closing characteristics. Oil flow is consistent and predictable, regardless of operating temperature or pressure variation. During cold synthetic oil startups, when oil is thick and pressure builds quickly, a poorly calibrated bypass valve can send unfiltered oil to your bearings. High dirt holding capacity with minimal pressure drop completes the picture. Maximum contaminant capture without restricting oil delivery. Number 5 is the K&N Premium. And K&N earns this position by delivering what their brand has always been built around: exceptional oil flow performance that doesn't compromise on protection. The K&N Premium is engineered around high flow rates, consistent high-volume oil delivery to your engine throughout the entire synthetic drain interval. For high-revving performance engines and modified builds, where oil pressure consistency directly determines both power output and longevity, a restrictive filter costs you on both metrics simultaneously. K&N engineers that restriction out. The pleated synthetic blend filtration media handles full, synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils without compromise, and the heavy-duty canister construction is solid and substantial, laboratory tested for burst strength and capacity with hard data backing the build claims. The wrench-off design makes removal fast and clean. For performance-focused drivers running synthetic oil, this filter deserves serious consideration. At number 4, the Mobil 1 M1110A earns its position through engineering logic that is as clean as product development logic gets. Mobil 1 makes the benchmark full synthetic motor oil. They built the M1-110A specifically as that oil's engineered companion. The high-efficiency synthetic blend media removes over 99% of contaminants and is rated for up to 20,000 miles or 1 year of proven protection when used as directed. The heavy-duty canister is engineered to withstand up to 9 times normal operating pressure, a burst strength specification that tells you the canister won't be the failure point under any realistic condition. The anti-drain back valve protects against dry starts, and the enhanced nitrile gasket aids leak resistance through the repeated thermal cycling that an extended synthetic interval involves. For Mobil 1 full synthetic oil users, pairing this filter with that oil is the obvious, correct decision. For any driver on extended synthetic intervals who wants a proven, warranty-backed premium filter, The M1-110A delivers on every specification it claims. The bronze medal goes to the Purolator Boss. The Smart Fusion full synthetic media captures over 99% of dirt particles across up to 20,000 miles, matching the longest full synthetic drain intervals on the market without degradation. The double helix metal center tube is the engineering feature that defines the Boss's severe duty credentials. The helical geometry actively enhances oil circulation through the filter element while simultaneously withstanding the extreme pressure spikes that occur during towing, hauling, and off-road operation. The PuroSeal gasket's ethylene acrylic construction holds a leak-free seal across thousands of heat cycles more reliably than standard rubber. The silicone anti-drainback valve eliminates dry starts entirely, staging clean oil in the filter for immediate delivery on every startup. The heavy-duty Boss steel casing protects against physical damage through installation, operation, and removal. Fitment covers Chrysler, Ford, GM, Honda, Hyundai, Mazda, Mitsubishi, and Nissan. For synthetic oil users who tow, haul, or run their engines hard, this is the filter. Number 2 is the FRAM Ultra Synthetic, the ultimate dual layer. Synthetic media is the engineering foundation. 2 layers of synthetic filtration working as an integrated system rather than as redundancy. This dual-layer construction is specifically what allows the ultrasynthetic to capture fine contaminants that single-layer media misses while maintaining oil flow rates that keep your engine properly lubricated under all operating conditions. Rated for up to 20,000 miles across all oil types, the full synthetic interval without compromise. The silicone non-drainback valve is the feature that distinguishes this filter, specifically in the synthetic oil context. Full synthetic oil runs thinner at operating temperature than conventional oil, which means drainback valve performance becomes more critical, not less, as oil temperature increases. For drivers running full synthetic on 15,000 to 20,000 mile intervals who want premium dual-layer protection with superior drainback performance at a competitive price, the FRAM Ultra Synthetic earns number 2 convincingly. And the best synthetic oil filter of 2026 is the Wix XP, the filter that earns number 1 because the engineering behind it consistently outperforms everything competing with it at this price point, and because it was built specifically for synthetic oil from the start rather than adapted from a conventional filter design. Every other premium filter on this list uses wire backing to prevent media collapse under pressure. The WEX XP media holds its structure without it because the media itself is that strong. That is not a manufacturing shortcut. That is a genuine engineering achievement that tells you everything about the quality of what's inside this filter, and it directly explains the filtration performance numbers that follow. The result is 99% filtration efficiency at 23 microns, exceptionally fine filtration precisely in the particle size range, where the most cumulative long-term engine wear originates. Particles in that range work between bearing surfaces and gradually score the precision components that determine how long your engine lasts. If you're running full synthetic oil, this is the filter your engine deserves. Wix XP, number 1. That's your complete ranked list, the 7 best synthetic oil filters of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly for current pricing. If this video helped you make the right call on your synthetic oil filter, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we cover every major product category with this same depth. I'll see you in the next one.